Hello Python geeks, welcome to Harsha Trainings. We are going to see the math intuition behind bitwise operator. We know that bitwise has 6 operators. They are AND, OR, XOR, NOT, left shift and right shift, right? So in this video we are going to cover these 3, means AND operator, OR operator and XOR operator, right? So let's suppose we have two variables, one is A is equals to 10 and one is B is equals to 7, right? Let's suppose we have A and B and A or B and A XOR B. Now if you try to execute the same concept, if you try to execute this operation, this will give you the output, or this will return it back as, for A and B it will return 2, for A or B it will return 15, and for A XOR B it will return 13. But from where it is coming? How we can get the intuition, or how we can know from where these values are coming, right? For that we have to know about bitwise operator, right? What is the math intuition behind this bitwise operator? So now what we have to do, we have to calculate according to the bits, right? So for 10 we have particular bits which is 1010, right? For 10 we have 1010, and for 7 it is nothing but 0111, right? Now if you want to calculate for A and B, that is nothing but 1010, that is for 10, and 0111, that is for 7. And here AND operator says what? Both the conditions should be true. From the given condition, both the condition should be true. In this case, 0 means false and 1 means true, right? So 0 and 1 means false and true. It will return false only, right? Likewise, for 1 and 1, if both the condition are true, then it will return true, right? For this condition, if you see 0 and 1, it will return 0. For 1 and 0, again it will return 0. And if you try to calculate the decimal for this, it will nothing but 2, right? That's why we are getting 2 here. You can simply calculate this. It is 0 0 1 0. If you go and check 0 power of 0 multiply with this 0 plus 2 power of 1 multiply with this 1, right? So it will return only 2. Okay, fine. So this is how you can calculate, right? Now we'll go for this. We'll go for this operation, which is A or B. That is nothing but it is returning 15. But how? For the same condition we have OR, right? We are going to perform OR operator in this. So in this format, OR says what? Either of the conditions should be true. In this case 1 is false, so 1 is true here, so it will return true, right? Again in this 1 true and true, it will return true only. 0 and 1 means false and true, it will return true only. 1 0, it will return true. 1 1 1 1, if you try to calculate the bit the decimal for this, it is nothing but 15. It is nothing but 15 only, right? Same for A XOR B. What you have to do? XOR says what? XOR means from the condition 1, if it is 0 and 1, it will return 1. If it is 1 and 1, it will return 0. If it is 0 and 1, it will return 1. Again, if it is 1 and 0, it will return 1, right? And if you go and calculate this, it will something around 13. This is how we can calculate the output for these two variables, which are 10 and 7. And here are the mathematical intuition behind these operators AND, OR and XOR. I hope you understood the concept. In the next video, we are going to see more 3 bitwise operators. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more contents. Thank you.